I'm Seth Johnson with Land House.
Hi, I'm Ashley.
We are on our way to get a new puppy, and Ashley's going to tell you more about him.
Basically, we've been looking for a dog for a while, right? Oh my gosh, hold on, I'm gonna die. Go, car, go. We searched for a lot of dogs. I wanted a smaller dog because I live in a very small apartment, and I also wanted one that was really furry. I like furry dogs. So I found a breeder that is 2.5 hours away from where we live. She's a good breeder. I've done a lot of research, so this wasn't like a decision like we made like really lightly, you know. The dog is a Maltese / Shih Tzu, a Maltese or a Malshi or whatever. We don't know a name yet, but from everything that we've watched, they're very gentle dogs, they seem, and I don't know, I guess we'll see. I don't know. What do you want me to say?
I like that it's a hypoallergenic dog. I've never been really fond of having an itchy nose all the time.
He's never been fond of a dog at all. Thank you, Otis.
My parents have a dog. It's a bird dog. You've probably seen it in a few videos, and it is terrible.
Satan.
It's never been trained or anything, so looking forward to spending a lot of time actually training this little puppy, and I hope to involve him in Land the House a lot, so you'll be seeing him.
Quite a bit, yeah.
Okay, I'll show him as soon as we get him. Well, we finally picked a name for him, and it's WallE. He kind of looks like a WallE. He had a few fleas on him when we showed up, and the lady washed him in Dawn, and we've picked off, I think, all of them now. And he's a cute little guy. He's done really well here in the car. WallE's first experience with grass.
He's the laziest dog ever.
Mm-hmm.
He's the laziest dog ever.
Well, and here's WallE exploring the apartment for the first time. You can see where he had scratched himself because he had some fleas. We took him to the grass and he couldn't even walk. Had a really successful car ride. No problems at all. Slept for about 2 hours. He's only 7 weeks, I think, so still really young. I think as he explores more, he'll start to get more lively. So Ashley just went to the store, and now he's a little bit vocal. It's WallE. He keeps sliding himself backwards. Well, I'm sure video blogs like this could last forever, so I think I'm going to stop here. So yeah, you'll see a lot more of this guy on Land to House in the future. And most likely when Ashley starts her channel, she'll have him on there a lot. Thanks for watching. I'm Seth Johnson with Land to House, and I'll see you next time. Bye.